architect of modern Goa is Bhausaheb Bandodkar. This was the man in 1961, I'd like to call him the Nelson Mandela of Goan politics. So Bhausaheb Bandodkar at that point of time, once the Portuguese left, please remember that the Portuguese left, but the reins of economic power in Goa remained in the hands of the elites, both Hindu and Catholic. This is very, very important for us to remember and acknowledge. Land, economy remained in the hands of the elites of both the Hindu and the Catholic community in Goa. And Bhausaheb Bandodkar redistributed that wealth, whether it was the Land to the Tiller Act, whether it was education to all the marginalized classes in Goa, which the Portuguese didn't even look at, forget about, didn't even acknowledge that they existed. He educated these children in Marathi. Marathi was the medium. That is the reason why they are so close to Marathi. Not that they hate Konkani. They love Marathi because that was the language in which they were educated. That is the language that gave them a sense of pride. That is the language that gave them knowledge. That is the language that lifted them up. And it got lifted by the policies and politics of Bhausaheb Bandodkar. So he redistributed that wealth from 1961 onwards, took away a little bit of all the ancestral property you and I inherited, which, what is inheritance? You should be earning your own property. But you inherited property, so he took a little bit, 10% of that, gave it to somebody else. We the fatted calves started crying about it. But those marginalized classes lifted themselves out slowly out of poverty to the standard of living that they are in today. So without firing a single bullet, this man actually brought about an egalitarian, more or less egalitarian society in Goa. So this is a debt of gratitude we owe to that man.